Shooting on the move has opened up a world of discussion about what's the proper way to put distance between you and the bad guy. Some people will tell you to walk straight backwards, reaching back with your foot to make sure there's nothing behind you. It's kind of like a ninja move. You got to feel if there's anything back there before you transfer the weight on your foot. Gives you a good opportunity to fall down if there's anything in your way while you're trying to back up. There is a better way for you to put some distance between you and the bad guy while moving in a much more natural style. Instead of walking straight backwards and trying to figure out what's behind you and possibly falling over backwards, access your firearm, immediately pivot, and you can put a hand out in front of you, you can be looking at the bad guy, you can be shooting, and you can be figuring out which way you're going. You're also moving in a much more natural running motion or walking motion, depending on how quick you want to get out of there. And that allows you to maintain your balance better, move a little bit more quickly, and make sure you don't fall down. Now, there is some debate about this. A lot of people will say, well, you're giving the bad guy your gun. Okay, if we're within extreme close quarters battle distance and we're at arm's reach, yep, first shot we're gonna fire from here at retention, and then we're gonna turn and take a step. Now we've already got another 3 feet, put the gun up, okay? Anybody wants to argue with me about whether or not they can take my gun while I do this, we'll load up some man marking rounds in a UTM gun, and I will shoot at you while we do this. And it will hurt really bad. It won't kill you, but it'll leave big bruises on your chest as I shoot you while I'm running away. The best way to get away from someone is to turn and move forward. Moving backwards gives you the opportunity to fall. I'm Kevin Michalowski, editor of Concealed Carry Magazine. If you like these videos, please share them with all your friends. And remember to subscribe to this page. I'll give you more great information every week. And hey, click that notifications bell up in the corner. We'll notify you every time we come out with a new video.